75% of all businesses fail in long term, and one of the 5 main reasons for that is their lack of flexibility. Hi, I'm Sorin BURDUCEA. For over 15 years, I have helped manufacturers find the best production systems for their factories. During this time, it became evident to me that the companies that saw change as a mean to evolve thrived in Europe's dynamic economic environment. In this presentation, I will show you a concept that would allow you to deal with the latest force propelling the change in markets, that is, the ever-increasing need for highly customized products. We are going to explore how production systems need to change and how that change allows the business models to morph into whatever is needed to achieve success. We will be drawing on an example in a major European industry, that is, the furniture industry. A few years back, I was speaking with a couple of entrepreneurs that wanted to invest in the furniture industry. Their interest was sparked by the discontent of the customers towards furniture suppliers. On one hand, the customers demanded customized furniture that would express their individuality and lifestyle. But on the other hand, they wanted prices at the same level with the mass-produced ones. The main question I was confronted with was, is this achievable using the latest technologies available? I was presented with the challenge of laying down the structure of such a system. How will it look like? What the requirements would be and what solutions could be implemented? I started working on a concept. Customized production has many issues that need to be addressed, such as a large design team force that needs to be directly accessed by the clients, production facilities able to produce unique items at batch production rate, efficient logistics, low costs, freedom to design the most optimal business model, of course, and, well, who doesn't need that fast return of investment? To meet the challenges, a new breed of machines is needed. One that would have no fixed location, would produce anything right where is needed with the help of local supply chain, cutting down transportation costs and lead time. And an added benefit of that would be providing a greener footprint along with it. It should also be ultra portable, ultra small footprint, lightweight, allowing for it to be carried in trucks at customer sites with ease. It should be fully automatic and atomistic, meaning that the machine should be in fact a miniature factory, capable of delivering all production processes in one package. Should be like a black box. The user should not know the processes inside the machine to successfully operate it and produce goods. Should deliver unique goods every cycle. That means each full machine cycle may be completely different from the previous one or the next one without mechanical changes or reprogramming the machine, empowering mass production of customized products. Should also be highly scalable, easy parallelization of machines, allowing scalability from one machine to thousands. It should also grow with the business. That means to increase production, you only need to add more machines in parallel. You can start with a small investment and invest more as you build up speed in business. Should also be able to implement production as a service. That is the ability for machines to scale into farms for usage as described by the production as a service paradigm. A concept machine is being created that aims at showing that by lowering the service life of the machine from a usual 20 years to just 5 years, a 10-fold reduction in machine price may be achieved. Due to its lower service life, the concept machine utilizes polymers instead of metal parts, reducing the weight 5 times. The novel machine makes use of state-of-the-art technologies to achieve flexibility, lightweight, and miniaturization. The mechanical system uses more than 60 individual linear and rotational axes arranged in a small 1 by 1 meter footprint. The machine is able to browse within a warehouse and select the proper wood panel for the selected job, It can cut out any form, detach it from the main board, drill, mill, engrave any face, deburr it, label it, package it, and store it at a delivery location, all fully automatic. The operator accesses the machine via an interface that runs on a computer, tablet, or phone that supports a web browser. The machine can be easily transported to the production sites and needs no special power supply. A software platform is being developed that is able to link clients with design teams and production facilities. As a consequence, the clients may choose any design team around the world that is part of the platform, and the design team at its turn may manufacture the end product at any production facility it finds adequate, or simply the one closest to the client. As a consequence of this production platform, there is a freedom to design the most optimal business model. You can use the classical factory, which has a fixed location and has its own design team and doesn't take advantage of the latest capabilities of the platform. Or you can start using those capabilities by building, for example, farms. You can build farms of machines around the country, around Europe, and you can start using them as simply production facilities. The platform then connects you with the design teams, and the design teams will use the farms to produce the end goods closest to the end clients. You can also produce at customer site. If you have, for example, a client that requires 1,000 pieces of a certain product, it may be easier for you to send the machine to the client and produce everything right next to its door than produce everything in your factory and use logistics to send the goods there. You can also make use of extra production capabilities that you may have at a certain point in time and simply lend those capabilities by lending machines. The concept production systems has been designed from scratch. Everything from the main platform, main hardware platform to servo drive, axis, linear movements, all make use of state-of-the-art technologies of active vibration damping systems that allow the machine to have a very small size and also be highly capable. I hope this presentation will help you in the future with your business to make it more profitable, more successful, more flexible. I am very grateful for being part of IBIMA's 39th conference, and I like to thank you for your attention.